Build, Automate, Scale by Connexus Hub. Module 1, Lesson 12, Team Basics, Hiring, Contracting, or Outsourcing Key Roles. As a founder, it's tempting to try to do everything yourself. But the truth is, no successful business is built alone. Whether it's hiring your first team member, bringing in a contractor for a specific task, or outsourcing entire functions, assembling the right team is what turns ideas into scalable realities. In this lesson, we'll help you. Identify the most important roles your business needs right now. Decide between hiring, contracting, or outsourcing. Learn how to source and onboard the right people the smart way. And at the end, you'll walk away with a simple framework you can apply immediately to grow your team without overwhelming your budget. If you're excited to stop flying solo and start building a powerful support system, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment if you're ready to find your dream team. Let's start by mapping out the key roles every growing business needs. Section 1. Identifying key roles for your business. Before you start hiring or outsourcing, you need to define what roles your business actually needs to move forward. Think of your business like a machine. What functions are essential to keep it running? Key foundational roles often include operations for handling logistics, systems, and workflows. Marketing, to create visibility and attract leads. Sales, to convert leads into paying customers. Finance, to manage budgets, taxes, and cash flow. Product service development, to build and maintain what you're offering. Let's say you're a solo entrepreneur doing everything. Maybe you're managing the day-to-day yourself, but struggling to grow your brand. In this case, a freelance marketer could be your first key hire. Pro tips: audit your current time usage. What are you doing that someone else could do better or faster? Start by filling gaps that directly drive revenue or free up your time to focus on growth. You don't need a big team, you need the right roles at the right time. Once you know what roles to fill, the next question is should you hire, contract, or outsource? Section 2. Hiring versus contracting versus outsourcing. Let's look at the pros and cons of each engagement model so you can make smart decisions based on your business stage. Hiring? Best for long-term core roles with consistent work, e.g., operations manager, account executive. Contracting? Great for short-term or specialized projects, e.g., brand designer, copywriter. Outsourcing? Ideal for repetitive or technical tasks that don't need in-house attention, e.g., IT, payroll. A small e-commerce brand might outsource bookkeeping to a virtual accounting firm, hire a part-time operations assistant, and contract a web designer for their product launch. Pro tips: hiring gives you control and consistency, but comes with overhead. Contracting gives you flexibility and expertise without long-term commitment. Outsourcing is efficient for scalable or non-core tasks, but requires strong communication. Each model has its place. Choose based on the role, budget, and how critical that task is to your core business. Now let's talk about finding the right people and setting them up for success. Section 3. Finding and onboarding the right talent. The hiring process doesn't stop at posting a job. It's about attracting the right fit and setting them up to thrive. Where you find talent depends on the engagement model. Hiring? Use job boards like LinkedIn, Indeed, or local recruiting groups. Contracting? Use freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or TopTalk. Outsourcing? Partner with agencies or specialized providers, e.g., IT firms, VA services. Onboarding best practices. Create a clear job description or project brief. Share your business goals and expectations early. Provide access to tools, processes, and timelines. Schedule regular check-ins during the first 30 days. Say you're bringing on a virtual assistant. You can use Upwork to post a detailed job, shortlist candidates, and hold short interviews to evaluate communication and reliability. Once hired, you can set up a 30-day onboarding plan that includes task checklists and weekly syncs. Pro tips: focus on cultural fit just as much as skill set. Set clear KPIs so both sides know what success looks like. Don't ghost. Communication is everything. The right people, plus clear expectations. A stronger, more efficient business. Now it's your turn to take action and start building your team structure. Let's quickly recap. Start by identifying the roles that will make the biggest impact on your business right now. Choose the right engagement model, hire for core roles, contract for projects, and outsource for support functions. Use a structured onboarding to set your new team members up for success. You don't need a huge team to grow, you need strategic support. Every great founder starts with one good hire. If this helped you think through your next move, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a lesson. Coming up next, Lesson 13, Brand Identity. You'll learn how to craft a brand voice, tone, and visual identity that captures attention and builds trust. See you there.